How to make mortgage loan calculator on Microsoft Excel app. So hello guys, all what you have to do is go to the Excel app. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on this little plus icon. Now after you click on it, it will take you to this page directly. Go down and until you find the mortgage loan calculator here, and here is it. Now all what you have to do after you find it, click on it, and you will be able now right here to edit and add your informations easily. And after you finish, go to the top corner and click on those three dots and click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.